About our hair loss consultations. When you come in for the hair loss consultation, sometimes you'll just see your part is getting wide. You'll start seeing thin hair in the, around your edges or your perimeter, or you'll see a spot that is thinning on the top or just in a circle, or you'll see an excessive shed, or you'll see your scalp is inflamed, those types of things. Or just hair loss in general. Alopecia just means hair loss. So if you're experiencing any form of alopecia, you come in for a consultation, and then we can discuss what your goal is. If your goal is to see if you can restore some of your hair, then we talk about our hair restoration program. But if you decide, well, right now I'm not into that. Right now I just really want to wear hair, then we talk about hair replacement. So when we talk about hair restoration program, each type of alopecia or hair loss is a symptom of something. So we have to get down to the bottom of it. So we do an in-depth health assessment where we decide like exactly what the root cause is. We do the microscope to see if there's any hairs, what's going on with your scalp, and we go over your family history, your goal. And once we get that determined, then we put you on an intensive, in the beginning, it's an intensive 12-week treatment plan. And then it dwindles down to shorter than that. So normally that's how we do it, but we have to get down to the root cause because there's no one cookie cutter solution for every form of alopecia. So whatever your root cause is, we have to determine that first. So then in that instance, we will treat the hair loss on the outside and the inside. We will treat the cause and all of the symptoms that you're experiencing. A lot of the times there are other things that are attached. So we can't just tell you we can put some oil on your scalp or Jamaican black castor oil, because you have to treat it from the inside out. So we get down to the bottom of that, and I'm really proud of our program. There's no growth oils, there's no minoxidil, there's nothing. It's just totally natural. So I'm very, very proud of that. And I have pictures of some of our results when you come in for the consultation. So that is an option if you are interested in restoring your hair. Now on the other side, if you are not interested in that, or if you are also interested in covering, we also offer non-surgical hair replacement. Now, there's no cookie cutter technique for that either. So we offer a wide range from wigs, which I recommend wigs and daily wear pieces if you are going through the program, because the program is intensive. It's weekly appointments. So I do recommend a daily wear piece for that. However, if you don't, we have traditional non-surgical hair replacement. We have several extended wear attachments that we can install on your head. We try to find the healthiest option for you and your particular lifestyle. So non-surgical hair replacement is also a good option, or in conjunction with hair restoration. So either way, that's what we specialize here. We specialize in hair loss solutions and alternative hair. When I say alternative hair, that does include hair extensions, but here's the deal. I'm not going to put hair extensions on somebody who cannot have. We go through that on your consultation. I'm very proud of what we offer here. I'm proud of the work that we've been doing. I've never been so happy with my job, and my clients are deliciously lovely. So yes, if you want help with your hair loss or you want to have a consultation, visit www.plentifulhairstudio.com, and I cannot wait to service you.